Hi, I'm Aiden. I'm 3.5, and I'm the owner of Handyman. This is my dad's tool bag. See this? This is this, and it does this, and then it does this. This is a screw bit, not a drill bit. It goes like this, or the other way.
What do you use the drill for?
Screwing things in, like this.
Nice job.
And it also does this. This is a hammer. Bam, bam, bam. And hammers nails in. This is a screwdriver. But a head screw piece is missing. Wait a minute. What was it called? A screw. So what is that? This is a Phillips head. And this is a razor knife.
Well, maybe we should put that down, please.
This is a scraper and some things are dried on. Scraping things up. These are pliers and these are pliers. They're both pliers. See? Yeah. This is paper kind of something. I guess it's a wrap around thing. And this is chalk. Not drawing chalk. Drywall chalk. Well, this is Aiden. Well, I'll just show you all of the tools. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you want to watch more of my tool videos, just spell AIDEN, and that's how you do it. For now, I'm going to go in and watch TV. Bye-bye. Is that cool?